Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Roku app to control streaming devices with smart remotes. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by unlocking your smartphone. Go to the App Store on your device. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Roku. Press the search button to initiate the search. Look for the official Roku app in the search results. The app should be titled Roku. Tap on the app to view more details. Next, find and click the Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, open the Roku app by tapping Open. Make sure your smartphone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Roku device. The app will prompt you to set up your Roku. Select your Roku device from the list provided. If prompted, enter the code displayed on your TV screen. Once connected, you will see the app's interface. Familiarize yourself with the different features available. To control your Roku, locate the remote icon on the app. Tap the remote icon to access the virtual remote controls. You can navigate through the menus using the directional buttons. Use the OK button to select options on your Roku device. Explore the additional features, such as voice search or shortcuts. When you're finished, simply close the app or disconnect from your Roku. Enjoy controlling your streaming device with your smartphone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.